Alright, here we are, Juggernaut. Pretty much done, except for all the different tool attachments and electrical wiring. Let's see some of the features. So here we have the belt tensioner. Can I reach it? Yeah, I can. Ooh, my shoulder's kind of messed up. There we go, to release it. Nice and easy. Say we want a horizontal grinder. Now we're horizontal. Adjusting tool lengths, it's easy. And table, same thing, except I don't have a table yet. And this guy's gonna need a powder coat sooner or later. Oh, also, adjusting the tracking of the motor. It's done with this wheel here. So when you do this, it adjusts the angle. So you can see we're getting a pretty extreme angle here. I'm going to replace the cross with the wheel, but you can see the motor is now at a pretty substantial angle. There we are, Juggernaut.